Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set ringtone on Tecno mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. Then from here you can scroll down to sound and vibration. So here is the sound and vibration. You just move on the sound and vibration. After you have been moved on it, here you are able to see it has given separately for the sim 1 and sim 2. Okay, so you can select from here. If you want to set for sim 1, you just select from here sim 1. For the sim 1 and sim 2, it's same only. Okay, so here is the menu ringtones. So if you want to set, what you need to do is that you just select from here any ringtone and click double. Okay, it means double, tap double. Okay, 1 2, you have to tap double, then this ringtone will be applied successfully on your mobile phone. Even for the same to it's same only. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.